So recently, I've been going through this trial of what it means to make videos on the side of working a full-time job. So recently, I've been going through this trial of what it means to make videos on the side of working a full-time job. And I want to share my 3 tips of what you must endure, what you must go through in order to start out on YouTube. Let's get to tip number 1. So my first point that I want to make is that starting out on YouTube, you're going to be confused about what you want to do, what videos you want to make, what you want your channel to be about. But over time, it might be one thing that you focus on, and that's okay. But it might be multiple things that you focus on, and that's okay as well. If you're wanting to do YouTube as a full-time job, just know that you're probably going to want to focus on one thing and one thing specifically and master that, kind of build upon that, and then take your skills that you've developed and pursue other avenues if that's something you desire. But if you're really successful and you build a brand out of this, you might stick with that one thing. So just know that going in. It's kind of noisy here. So let's go to another location. Come on. It's actually very hot out today, so I decided to take off my hat. But this next point's actually very easy, very quick, and I can simply summarize it as this. You will fail when starting on YouTube. Woo! Wow, finally a spot that's not just hot. You will notice that I've changed 3 times in this video, but that actually brings me to my 3rd point, is that change is okay. Like I said in the first point, it is okay to be confused. You are gonna be confused about what content you wanna deliver, how you wanna deliver it, what makes you happy. You're gonna be figuring all that out. It's gonna be confusing, that's okay. And then that's gonna lead you to the next point, is you're gonna fail. You're gonna have videos that don't get views. You're gonna have videos that don't get comments. You're gonna have videos that you don't think you did well on editing. You don't think you did well acting in those videos, speaking, whatever. You think something's off, the lighting is just kind of wonky, you want to scrap it. Don't scrap it. You're gonna see that you have failed, and that's okay. And that leads to the 3rd point, is change. Like, as a brand new YouTuber, this is definitely now the time to change the style and way you present, the style in which you create videos, the style in which you craft those videos together and actually put those across your different platforms of social media. It's okay to want to change and to change, especially now, because once you kind of get established and once you start gaining success, people are gonna recognize you and know you as this sort of means for something, for finding something, bringing value to these people. You're gonna be recognized as this. So if you're selling a product, you're gonna be recognized as that product that you're selling, whether it's t-shirts, comic books, or whatever it be. You're gonna be known as that person, that brand that does that. Or if you create videos about tutorials and stuff like that, you're gonna be known as a channel that does that. So it's gonna be hard to break that mold once you begin having success. Your success will come in those changes, but make sure these changes are for bettering your skills and developing you as a person, and will help you. I'm trying to think of some way to end this. Oh, I don't know. Anyways, just nice.